Everyone, myself Nishan Murkodak and today's topic is constructors in Java. Type of constructor, default constructor, parameterized constructor, constructor overloading does, constructor return any value, copying the value of one object into another does constructor parameter other task issues task instant of initialization in Java. A constructor a block of the code similar to the all at the time of calling conditions constructors. Memory for the objects of allocation in memory, it is the special types of methods which is used to initialization the objects. Every time an object is creating using the new keyword at last one constructor is called it is called default constructor. If there is no constructor available in the class, in such case Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. There are two types of constructor in Java: non arguments constructor and parameterized constructor. It is called constructor because it is the constructor the value at the time of object creation. It is not necessary to write the constructor for a class. It is the because Java compiler creates a default constructor if your class doesn't have any rule of creating Java constructor. There are two types of there are two rules of making constructor. Constructor name must be same as its class name. A constructor must have two explicit return type. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronize. Um, we can use access modifiers will declaration is a declaring a constructor. It is control of the object creation. In others word, we can have private, protected, public, default constructor in Java. Types of Java constructor. There are two types of constructor in Java. Default constructor, parameterized constructor. In, default constructor, parameterized constructor, Java constructor. Java default constructor. Constructor is called a default constructor when it is doesn't have any parameter. As we are creating the no arguments constructor in the byte class. It will be invoked at the time of object creating the Java parameter constructor. A constructor which has a specific numbers of parameters is called a parameterized constructor. Why use the parameterized constructor? The parameterized constructor is used to provide different value to this distinct object. However, you can prove the same value also. Example of parameterized constructor in Java example, we have creating the constructor of the student class have to parameterize. We can have any numbers of parameters in constructor. Constructor overloading is in Java. In Java, constructor is just like a method, but without return type. It can also be overloading like Java method. Constructor overloading in Java is technique of having more than one constructor with different parameter list. They are arranged in where each of constructor parameterized in different tasks. They are differentiated by the compiler by the numbers parameters in the list and their types. Difference between constructor and method in Java. There are difference uh, Java constructor is used. to initial the state of an object. A constructor is used to express a behavior object constructor having doesn't return type. Java is compiled to provide different constructor in the Java have any constructor in Java in class. So thank you very much. It is all about constructor. Thank you very much.